Hello guys, I hope all of you are fine. In today's video we will be doing the conversion of CFG to PDA. In the last video we converted PDA to CFG. There are certain rules. Now your CFG is by default given to you with two non-terminals S and B, 0 and 1. P is the production rules and S is the starting symbol. So we have got S is given value as 0BB, B is given value as 0S, 1S and 0. The point is how we are going to convert that particular CFG to PDA. We have to write PDA rules for it. Very simple, you just need to follow a syntax. There are two rules that you need to identify. First rule is rule number 1, that any state is there, any state you can put, whether it is Q, Q0, Q1, whatever. Then you need to terminologize with null symbol, and this is a non-terminal. It goes to any state, it can go to any state. If I start from Q0, it can go to Q1, from Q1 it can go to Q0, and we have to write value of non-terminal. So this is the basic syntax of rule number 1, and rule number 2 is, because we have to basically match some certain values, like if I want to match 0 with 0, so when matching happens then obviously you can pop the value. So it means any state, any input symbol, it is matched with any value, it generates any state and it gives the answer null. So that is what you have to do. So I'll just simply tell you, very simple. State, I am writing it as Q. I don't know which state we are going to start with, so I'm writing basic Q. Null, I'm just writing null symbol, right? And what are the non-terminals we have? We have actually two non-terminals, S and B. S is having only one value, so I'm writing S. It goes to any state from Q0 to Q1, so I'm just writing Q and Q in that scenario, right? Q and Q represents input and output state. Obviously this can be input state, this can be output state, this can be input state, and this can be output state. And what is the value of S? S value is 0BB, simple. One rule is there. Similarly guys, there are definitely 3 answers for B. So what you have to do in that scenario, Q null B. Now it has 3 answers actually. First answer is it gives me Q, and what is the answer of B? Answer is 0S. This is first answer, right? It can also give you Q, and the second answer of B is 1S. This is my second answer. Q, it can give me 0. So this is my third answer. So clearly there are 3 answers of this B, with 0S, 1S and 0 primarily are the answers for B. So this is one rule where we write any state, any output state. Similarly here, you start with Q, you will get Q, right? Now what are the things that you have to mention? Instead of input and any value, you just write the terminals that are given to you, terminal number 1 or terminal number 2. It means terminal 1, terminal 1. Similarly, it can be terminal 2, terminal 2. Means 0 will be matched with 0, 1 will be matched with 1. So I'm just writing terminal 0 as well as 0. It generates Q null. Similarly, Q terminal 1, it gives Q null. Again, rule 2, again I am repeating, any state given any terminal, it gives output state and null. So there are 2 terminals which are used, terminals or input symbols, 0 and 1. So if I am writing Q with 0 and 0, it gives me any state and it gives me null. Similarly, Q can give me 1 and 1, it can also give us null. So this is the simple way in which the conversion of CFG to PDA we have done earlier. This is PDA to CFG we have done earlier, and this is CFG to PDA. So guys, importantly is that there can be this kind of question also, that test whether 0 1 0 power 4 belongs to this language or not. It's very simple. We have Q, we have a string 0 1 4, and we have a particular starting symbol. We just have to check whether this is belonging to this or not. We just have to find the appropriate rule. So it will give me Q, and you can have the value of S value is 0 BB, 0 1 0 4, and it is 0 BB. So clearly 0 and 0 are getting cancelled. Similarly, Q, we have got 1 0 0 0, and we have B. So B value is 0. Obviously you have certain values, so B value, whatever value you want to put, you can put. It is 1 SB because I want to match 1 with 1, right? So this is Q. Again you have 4 zeros, and now you have S value is 0 B, again B, 0 and 0 are getting cancelled. Guys, we have 3 B's and we can have 3 zeros. So we can have all zeros and all zeros. Clearly this string also belongs to this particular language also. So these kind of questions can be asked. Very simple part is, I am concluding this. Rule number 1 is, we have any state given any, we are not providing any terminal, or we are having any starting value. It gives me any output, and it gives me value of non-terminal. This is one rule. And rule number 2 is, we have any state, we have terminal, it gives me any state, and it gives me null. So from these you just have to put the values and you will get the results. This is the conversion of CFG to PDA. Thank you very much. Thank you.